I would like to share the experience of my school. These are the various activities which our school did during these Diwali vacations. And you can see that Facebook is overloaded from all these things. This is the off the record which I have just saved this tab to show you people. The students are making means the use of the waste material in the best possible way. जो भी कुछ घर पे था उन्होंने उसी से सब कुछ डेकोरेट किया है और उसके सारे वीडियोस और फोटोज और कोलाज हमारे साथ शेयर किए हैं. बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज डिफरेंट लेवल्स पे कंडक्ट किए गए थे एंड उसी से उन्होंने इस बार का दिवाली सेलिब्रेट किया है. नाउ आई विल टेक यू टू माय प्रेजेंटेशन. I'm representing Nanvidya Niketan, Jamnagar. We all know the aim of Eco School Waste Management Program, just to engage and educate our middle school students in implementing waste management activities. And these 7 steps methodology, ये भी मीना मैम और प्रीति मैम ने बहुत अच्छे से हम लोगों को समझा दिया है. Then the first step, I'll go with a briefing step by step कि हम लोग स्कूल में इसको implement कैसे करते हैं. So the step 1 is formation of eco committee. तो हम लोगों ने हर क्लास से like 6, 7, 8 तीनों जो हमारे sections हैं जिसको हमें करना है उसमें से students को we have selected and we have formed the committee with the teachers. We have our CE committee too. So we have the teachers in that and 6, 7, 8 से कुछ teachers को भी select किया है as a part of the eco committee. As well as we have the class teachers also involved in that, because whatever activities we are conducting with the eco committee students, those activities are also conducted with the classes too. Okay, so जो कोर कमेटी मेंबर्स होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के वो खाली हमको डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में और एक्टिविटी के फॉलो अप में बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. बट स्टूडेंट कमेटी शुड स्टूडेंट कमेटी में तो खाली सेलेक्टिव स्टूडेंट्स होंगे, बट दोज एक्टिविटीज शुड बी कंडक्टेड बाय और दी बिल शुड बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय मास सो दैट उसका इफेक्ट ज्यादा हो. ठीक है. Like environmental review, the second step is environmental review. So ये students ने अपने घर पे जो भी waste था उसको उन्होंने एक टेबुलर फॉर्म में किया है और उसमें जैसे हमारी बुकलेट में दिया हुआ है कि जो environmental review है उसमें हमें segregation of waste करना है. This activity also be conducted with the students. So they segregated the waste and they tried them to check their biodegradability also. Then a few of our students conducted the interviews of the Safai Kamcharis around, and these interviews were conducted mostly in the regional languages, क्योंकि इंग्लिश में कंडक्ट करेंगे तो नहीं होगा. कुछ इंटरव्यूज उन्होंने व्हाट्सएप पे भी कंडक्ट किए हैं. So those clips have not come to me yet, but interviews are going on still. Then third step is linked to the curriculum. ये जो step है, this is very important actually, because during our curriculum only we can plan certain activities. Like many activities are there already in our subject. So whatever activities we are planning, that we can incorporate with our syllabus. तो उसको अलग से हमको करवाना नहीं पड़ता है. Like I'll give you one example. Like in class 7th में waste water story is there. So class 7 students, if they are asked to do some experiments about wastewater saving, so those things can be, documented in your eco school waste management activities also. Like garbage in, garbage out. So in what way they are, producing the garbage at home, और उस garbage का वो क्या कर रहे हैं, उसका compost बना रहे हैं, compost बना के उसको कहाँ use कर रहे हैं, कैसे बना रहे हैं. Like class 8 synthetic fiber plastics, उसके बारे में काफी कुछ डिटेल में दिया हुआ है. तो प्लास्टिक के साइड इफेक्ट्स हम क्लास में ही उनसे बात कर सकते हैं. साइंस टीचर्स दे कैन टॉक अबाउट इट एंड उसी में उनको रीयूज करने के लिए या रिसाइकल करने के लिए हम बोलेंगे. सो दोज एक्टिविटीज आर इनकॉर्पोरेटेड विद आवर सिलेबस. So those things we have to do it in the documentation also. Okay, even in mathematics, after coming your whole data जब आपके पास आ गया, तो उसको आप graphs और histograms के form में या analysis के form में, even in CBSE schools nowadays, art integrated activities are going on. So you can incorporate these activities in that also. Okay, art and craft mein to means everybody knows about it. Even our school is implementing dance and music related to these particular activities. Then step 4 is make and implement an action plan. Very beautiful steps are given in that booklet. This time this booklet is extremely good. Khushbu ma'am, thank you for that. And so every step is very much clear in that. How do we have to do it? So like hand protection projects, so students can do these things at home with the material which is available at home. So like in this picture, you can see the students, they are making the compost of their own and they are sharing the pictures with us. Like these are the activities which they did during the Diwali. Sorry. During Diwali, so these are like they have prepared the mask using the old clothes. Then they have prepared lamp using packing materials. Then preparation of diya holders from the waste materials, whatever was available at home. So there are many activities like that. Few of them only I've showed here. Then this is the format of the action plan which we are following. In that we give the eco code, the eco charter which we have as a, I think 6th step I think it is there. So we have decided this enable, empower and educate, and this we give it to every student involved in the project, and they have to project this. Earlier we were projecting it in the classes and the CE board and the notice board and all those things, but as students are at home, so they can have this thing at their home too. Then we have the description of the activity, month-wise we have decided, and the timeline and the teachers involved, number of students involved and subjects covered. Then here you can write down the subjects which is covered during the any activity. Then whatever resources are needed. Then what is the evaluation or the assessment criteria? Suppose some activity is done, if you want to assess them, that also you can add on. Teachers, can you just mute your mic?
Request all to please keep your mic on mute.
Sir, please mute your mic. Lakhan sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Then 5th step is monitor and evaluate. Okay, so students and teachers monitors the progress of the activities. So eco committee, students and the teachers involved in that, they keep on monitoring the activities, maybe monthly or the fortnightly, that you can decide according to your need. Then eco committee students, they generally reviews the progress and they give the reports to our teachers, and then teachers report reviews those reports, and if they have any problem in between, then they try to solve it out. And then if still that process, that problem persists, then we discuss it and try to find out the solution. Because abhi sab log ghar par hai, to wo students kabhi nahi milte hain, online mein students utna response kai baar nahi de pate hain, या उनके पास अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं होती है चीजों की. सपोज अगर हम उनको कोई एक्टिविटी दे रहे हैं, सो जो पूरा आपका एक्शन प्लान होना चाहिए should be based on such things that the activities which they can do it in the daily life, क्योंकि हमको उनके बिहेवियर चेंज पर काम करना है. We are not showcasing anything, हमको किसी brighter side पे नहीं जाना है. Just from the basic things, if we start doing all these activities, then students, they will do it wonderfully. Then 6th step is inform and involve, that you can check our website nvnsr.edu.in. उसमें आपको सारे एक्टिविटीज मिलेंगे. whatever activities we are doing almost on daily basis, we are sharing it on our FB page and YouTube channel. So these activities are executed and it is spread through social media to everyone. तो community से हम ऐसे इसमें reach out करते हैं. And moreover, इसके अलावा भी like parents meeting, पहले parents meeting होते थे तो हम लोग parents meeting में भी campaign करते थे. Like once we did coconut में saplings को हम लोगों ने grow करके parents को दिया था. once we did, हम लोगों ने उनको cloth bag पे signing campaign करवाया था कि that they will use the cloth bags only, they will not use the plastic bags. And gate पे भी हम उनको plastic bag अगर वो लेके enter हो रहे हैं तो वहाँ हम उनको stop करते हैं, because we believe in this thing that our school will be zero plastic area. So we are implementing such activities so that these things reach out to the community also. Abhi COVID situation hai, so we are not taking our students to the various fields as such. वरना पहले सिनेमा हॉल्स के बाहर या ये जो गणेश उत्सव में जो स्टॉल्स लगते हैं या जो आपके मॉल्स होते हैं उसमें हम लोगों ने कई बार प्रेजेंटेशंस दिए हैं, स्पेशली फॉर प्लास्टिक्स. हमारे स्कूल ने काफी कुछ किया है. So we keep on motivating community, and we involve them as well to be the part of this. Then we have the 7th step, that produce and charter. So the decision, the format of the eco charter is entirely up to the EcoWeb team of teacher and students of the school. As I told you, means whatever you decide, that should be the main focus of all the students and as well as the committee and your teachers. And it should keep on, striking them. Okay, this is our main aim and it should be implemented properly. Our school is also involved in the Litter Less campaign from last 3-4 years. So these are the various activities which we did at our school level. Like students, they are preparing bookmarks from the waste paper, then they are weighing the waste. Then there is remarkable reduction of the plastic waste and even the dry waste which is produced, because most of the things are recycled. We even recycled our plastic also into various beautiful materials, like these bottles, this green wall. This whole is done by students only. They have only done that, they have only created this green wall. And in this one, these students, they are preparing the dustbin holders with the newspaper. And this is the parent campaign. This is the picture of the parent campaign. This was done, this selfie corner was made for the parents, and they signed also, they wrote their feedback also. So these are the various activities. Thank you so much.